Welcome to another episode of Keeping Up with the Tulos. Shigupu ulikile go jala letsekeleke. Lydia ba mokubile gape action aram skepsel wa batho. Malume o bola ke letsogo.
Batho ba tshwara nna ke a fa la ngafisa ka re ntho ke re gafisanya letswale tswa ke re le gafisang nna freita ha ke ipitombi go reka re motho sa mpetho thato kopela gore o mphe something o sa mphe yona ana ke tsama ke tse something yana ke kele ko tropong kwa ke palese go nya go Rustenburg no ke se gupo padile ke kireng mara ke kireng guys a go mola ke go lla go moholo guys go mohola ke nyoko lla ke nyoko tsa dikeledi go moholo guys 40 years Sikubu fedile ka ye the fed is over divorce of
Hela msanyitsa ka sobgol every 6 months small cholla santa ga botsekele ka gona nkwe ijwa le mini wa tseba e ba bolela ka motho mo desperate for attention bara Shigupu like what's out shemo au sa ba tshotoganya ka o trenda so o jeje letsekeleke for a couple of days and then bara bala together as shiwane the following day tsekeleke a tsoga jile dipekere I'm a blocker everywhere on social media rwa swana ke jola le wena mara umphisilo wabo so Shigupu can never be Black Cat. She can never. And I'm comparing Shigupu to Black Cat girl. Why? Because if olibella the video ja Shigupu le Manazri, you can tell how uncomfortable Shigupu is around Manazri. Even when they are like doing content. Like are relaxed as like ano ba yena. So biela fete bombom ya go bina too much o tlo ikgotlela yang. So like Shigupu must just be herself. She must not try to be like Black Cat girl. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Like uzama ka matla ka moka gore a tshwane le yena, but you know what? It's like the universe no mo blue tiga. It's like no one is giving her that attention. So I'm thinking gore le ga ba phula stand sa tsekeleke she was hoping for this whole drama, but nah. And she has a really nice voice. Shigupu has a really nice voice. So there are two songs I really like and I really enjoy. Obana ngizophumelela and then I forgot the other one, you know. Nadi push the music video and I understand doing all of those things, it costs money. And right now, these days, you need to trend in order to push your music or your EP. But Sanjulo ukised wawa. Yo, I want but anyway, this is not about me. Anyway, so Tsekeleke was live le Malumi, lim go. So Tsekeleke balla mola ka taba ya mojolo gore mojolo wa nyisa yena o twa Ipindombi. So for those who do not know Ipindombi gore go tlhagang e tshwana le Box Street, then you guys can catch what I'm talking about. So Malumi le yena o robola ke tlala o phela ka letsogo he kwa sha kwa qima. So there's one thing that I noticed ka batho ba ga tholo, like abana timing. This other time Tsekeleke na le life a dutse ka dining room le bo Sesiare le batlogolo bo Neo bo Nanana. And then ke mola phone so na nya go dira front camera ne I live no actually na post le video anya go dira front camera so camera ya bontsha back view then ka khona bona no o dutse le Neo o dutse le Nanana o dutse le Sesiare obo and then I switch and then I do front view. The moment I turn at the front view Tsekeleke ka gabela ka mogolong go bane yena o bola ke letswai yo like taba ya letswai like Tsekeleke o opela go shaka yona since last week ntja le bizarre bo tsara yena o bola ke letswai he kwa sha kwa qima. So I'm like another timing so le Malome the time ale life le Tsekeleke le mgo gona le ausi ka mo morago so it could either be Nanana or Neo or perhaps Lydia. So o bolela bang taba tse di soki mo pele ga basadi like yo ka go family la go ne order like aba company whatsoever a go ne molao ka ku ba iketsetsa rati
ngwana le sebo le monate leker mara ge nka re ke seba ka kwa motho a sheta bolela re ya le mmereko wa gago ka ruka fela goba monno wa gago ka raka mohlala re bone re tlo fella kae ke a tswa ke a tsepela modimo wa go etele ngwano go bya dithapelong o moloyana a re sebi ka mogo le sebo tshwantse le be monate mara ka mogo se dire le botju ya bolos up in this beach and nna ke nya go tsena le go dimong ga ke nyake go seba motho ka mogo ke hlapa matsogo jale ka Pontius Pilato periods le monate lona mara sowe never
Tsekeleke ngwashiwe ye ta santa ba re tsake metsi a shiongwe Seke. Seke leke. Sam, ba re tsa ke metsi.
A itse ke metsi e berekile
Re rekile nngwe
e
shi.
rekile ngwa jwa bereka
Ba bereka.
jwa bereka
A tseke ra thewa fana. Ra thewa fana, ra thewa tseke. Ba re tsa ke metsi, ke se nngwe shi. Re se ya plaster. Aba fetso a. O plaster ka yona. E mo ya ka thanda santa go bola tseke leke. Amonde we papa bula space. Seke leke.
ke na le 40 years ke na le 40 years ko mogolo guys ha se tlo kry-a ngwana o monyaneng a ne tlo tlalatlela ka nna maabane a mpha fokol robetse fela ka mopetong fela a ra irana a mpha le kisi fokol so o tlala ka nna ngwanyana bare ke segubu guys le phone ebile ha di phone ba tsa ke di blockile ke se go botsa lentswe la gore ba le stlhole ngwana gore segubu ha ke ngwana ke motho o mogolo mo o le teng mo o nkutlweletse and I get half I cannot I get half in segubu I get half I get tla no nna ke
Our Father,
Our Father,
our Father,
who art in heaven,
you are heaven.
hallowed be thy name.
Hello, hello,
Be thy name.
your name.
Thy kingdom come.
What are you?
Thy kingdom.
And don't come,
Thy kingdom come.
and don't come.
As it is in heaven.
Squash panelas.
Give us
Give us
this day
this days
our daily
our daily
bread,
bread.
and forgive us
Give us
our trespasses,
of offenses
as we
as we
forgive those
against us.
who trespass against us.
Lead
Lead us
us
not into
not to
temptation.
temptation.
Deliver us
To love
from evil. For thy is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen.
yo ke
a e
re
wena kan a go go skomola go irang malume
malume le ena mara
Malome o tlo ntshatse ke mo bathong malome le wena bathong
a re irang malume tse ke malume a re irang
malume se
mara nna go tlhaloganya trata bjang malume
Ere ko botse ne.
ya
Ke tatela black le ke ena mosadi a ka fela.
okay sharp malume o tlenne neng go bonela motho la mafello
Ngare ke na le 3 months ke 2 years ne.
3 months 2 years
Le twa ka esa bele.
mara o ikreile wa bontsha re wa iruthula ne
malome
mara o mongwe wa mo kry-a ka patreko o ka mo irela masepa ne
Ai maditse tsa gore maybe nka ira dilo tse re tsa re tsa re bolele pela ke.
a ke ra le bolela o botsa re malume e tlash
Ya ga ga ba jao.
o ka ba sharp and then o rata e bjang malume o rata ya maboya ore e ba ikerileng
o tore mara tsali no
Mana tso yo ka no mango tso di oro mango le.
o rata e bjang malume
Ke rata kala maine.
khala maine bjang
Calamine
Ele o daiwa kana o.
e ba e daya le yona
Ya kana uzi.
a ke itse
a rate ba itshasitseng Calamine a ke re malome
Ya, ba ile wa bona ne. Ena le chocolate Cadbury.
and then we bya bjang a o e betha bjang malume
Wena maro putsan tsongwa.
o mmea bjang malume tso ke rute
malome o se balela dikhoneng
Mara pumula wa tsonga ra banyana ya ira mara ke kona ke re bana wa bona bana.
ai ma ona bana re ba bagolo fela malume ke ra wena o mmea bjang rute
Inyaka reverse and forward.
ke feng o malume
ai tse mare le bora tse ke mgo a re tswe mo tsona especially e le malume
o tlweletse o tsaya malebela o itse ke tsotsi
Ya. Hello. mara ke lo hopotse mara a le mpotse ke bolale mang
Tsolilo.
Ke Tsolilo.
o Tsodio
Yeah.
e ra o ka tsela Tsodio o re
Mara malume o nwange mono. O felletswe.
a ke felletsa ke na sele jo
Tsa ro tshwere bo ba fokhoto e bele ka mfatsa mpeto.
awa ka
Sebaro.
awa a ke nyaka ba go bile ka mtsasambe ba mana ke nyaka go robala ngwana mma ke amere ko ngaka
O wa tsena ka osane.
ya ka tsela
Eish, beta tsa Israel ke mfana. Jo.
uta ba ka tsela mzomna jwa ba
Eish. Bia malume. Yes. Yes. Time does not pay. Yes.
Ka re babalabala wa balabaliwa ha o etsa se babalabala ha o etsa se babalabala ha o etsa se babalabala. So guys, no, I'm starting my life fresh. I'm going to be here for you. Ke le rapelle ka mkhone ke le rapellang ka teng guys. A tsanya ka motho a tlo nsenyetsa bophelo. Ko re wetse ke batho ba ntse ba bua dipolelo ke tse dintshi mara modimo ke ena ang hawetseng modimo ke ena mphileng matla ka tse go gore ngwanaka tsoga. When I just pray to God or modimo ko ena fela o tseba ntsotle. A ke re batho guys a ke go hae ba ba mpotsang ka tsekeleka a ke go hae guys a ke go hae guys a ke sa nna go hae a ke re batho ba ka a ke sa nna go hae guys ke go nna ke go mtseng wa ka guys